So can you introduce yourself to the Pool Chasers community?
You bet. My name is Michelle Kenyon. I'm the Senior Vice President of Marketing and Customer Experience.
As you know, we're here to get some more information on Jandy quitting the internet, and we've been talking to everybody here that's kind of had their hand in it, and the team is amazing, and it seems like you've made some really good progress. But we did have the pleasure of sitting in on about 5 minutes of the meeting, and can you just tell everybody what's going on?
Yeah, so I'm sure you've heard, and as others, that we are quitting the internet. I think that's an important piece that I want to speak to, is that this is a process. We never expected that it was going to happen overnight and that the results were going to happen overnight, but we're committed to it. So we invited you in for a few minutes to the enforcement meeting. It happens twice a week. We have a number of people that are all part of enforcement, okay? And we track on a daily basis, 24/7, through both software and internal work, how many URLs, dealers, websites are violating, how many of our products are being sold online that shouldn't be sold online, and we track them. And we're working, we're committed to the enforcement, okay? I think it's important for everyone to know that this obviously is not a marketing move. We are behind it to make sure that that our policies are enforced. Can I show you my chart?
Yes, most definitely would.
So look, I'll tell you. We just came out of the enforcement meeting, and I mean, I think you get the sense that these were our violations back in January when we started. And if you look here, this is how many Jandy products are currently violating online. You are the first to know. Here's the number. Ready? We are at 82% attainment.
Oh, wow.
Of compliance, meaning that from day one when we started policing and enforcing to today, we've reduced the number of Jandy violations online by 82%. Now, what should the number be? We'd love it to be 100%. Not sure if it will ever be 100%, but I think maybe a good goal would be 95. Currently, what's left online right now, I'm happy to report, there might be a couple of customers that we're still working with, but we've made major strides. Most customers are becoming compliant. It's taking them a little bit of time, but there's eBay is out there. There's some Amazon third party that's out there, but very few violations compared to where we started.
Well, thank you so much, Michelle. Really appreciate it. Is there anything else that you want to touch on?
Look, we're in tune with the market, okay? We're in tune with our dealers. For years, there's been a battle about being able to make money in the industry. We did this because we truly believe that the core of this industry is driven by the professionals. It's such an interesting industry because the pros are the ones that know how to maneuver all of these different types of pools. You know, it's a skill, it's a talent. And when the pros can't make money and are getting beat up constantly with consumers, there's nowhere to go. This was a move that was clear for us to take. And if others in the industry follow, I think that's great for everyone, okay? I mean, this is a move where we are proud to have pioneered this. This is a stand that we're taking. You know, obviously we feel that the Jandy brand and the products are great and premium products, and we stand behind them from a quality and an innovation perspective. But ultimately, it's great for the whole industry. And if everyone follows and it helps the whole industry, then we're proud to have been part of it.
So Ruben, what is a company like Jandy doing about company culture? I mean, you gotta have a good company culture in order to roll something out like quitting the internet. So what are you guys doing to really keep the whole team intact?
Thank you, Greg, for that question. No, you're absolutely right. Company culture is absolutely critical, I think, to anything an organization does, specifically something that's a game changer, like getting off the internet, right, in support of our pool professionals. What a strong company culture does, it really allows an organization to have an identity. And one of the things that we've been, cultivating for many years as Legacy Zodiac and now with Fluidra and through the merger is the fact that we like to ensure that we focus on the success of our pool professional partners, right? All of our customers whose livelihood depends on making sure that their customers, the users of pools, have a fantastic experience.
One of the great things about working in Carlsbad is the prevalence of craft breweries. So we decided to take a break this afternoon. I'm here with my team. We're going to have a beer and enjoy the afternoon. Come join us.
Hope you guys enjoyed the road trip down here to San Diego. Thank you again, Jandy, for taking the time to show us through the building. It's an amazing facility. And thank you again for your support of the podcast.